Making profits without creating content. Welcome to the fascinating domain of earning on YouTube without creating videos. With a monthly user base of 2 billion, YouTube is like a goldmine. Its passion blends seamlessly with revenue. Success key: Creative Commons license. Your key to this treasure chest is the Creative Commons license offered by YouTube. This license allows you to legally repurpose content for videos, making it easy to convert views into value. Anyone can do it. The reality is that anyone can do it. All you need is a computer, reliable internet, and a hint of creativity. Stay tuned to learn more. The secret lies in understanding the Creative Commons license. Public copyrights. A public copyright license grants permissions for your work. Global ideas. A global tapestry of unique ideas and original content. Sharing culture. It fosters a sharing culture. Remix, reuse, reimagine. The philosophy remix, reuse, reimagine enables content leverage. Creativity with YouTube. Each YouTube video is an inspiration, endless content. It's your ticket to leveraging the vast amount of content already available on YouTube. The concept we're delving into today is a type of copyright license that creators can use to dictate work usage. This license encourages shared creativity, allowing usage, editing, and repurposing of videos. Users can monetize these videos on their own channels for shared revenue. Ultimately, it's a type of copyright license that allows creators to decide how others can use their work, setting a precedent for a more open, collaborative future. Grasping Creative Commons is akin to mastering a new language. It's a puzzle teeming with diverse licenses and outcomes. Understanding these terms and their implications gives a new proficiency. With perseverance, it becomes a tool for respecting others' creations and promoting collaboration. Unlocking the secrets of Creative Commons is like learning a new language, a language that could open up a world of opportunities for you on YouTube. So how do you find these videos? This question might have piqued your interest. It's about being a digital explorer, hunting for hidden gems. There's an approach to this. Envision a sea of content. It's daunting, right? But fret not. We'll offer you tools to decode this landscape, grasp algorithms, and utilize social media. It's about empowering you to control your digital destiny, comprehend the world of these videos. Let's dive in and demystify this process. But don't rush off to use these videos just yet. Patience in selection is key. You want aesthetics and legalities aligned. Note the video's license. Your eagerness to use media should be balanced with due diligence. Don't settle for just any video. Find one that is high quality, engaging, valuable. This might seem challenging, but it's crucial for the integrity of your content. Remember, the goal is not just to find videos, but to find quality videos that align with your theme and enhance your content. So, you've found your videos. The journey of content creation begins. Anticipation builds as your hand holds not just videos, but uncut gems of stories, characters, and landscapes. With a quick transition, we delve into video editing, breaking footage down to tell your story. Videos can evoke emotions and inspire ideas. So what's next? Well, folks, here we are. Now it's time to let your masterpieces come alive. These are not just creations, they are parts of you, embodying your passion and identity. But why let them sit untouched? Monetizing your work validates your craft. It's about giving your creations the wings to inspire minds. And so we come back to the beginning. Now it's time to repurpose and monetize them. Let your creations shine and bring you satisfaction and financial gains. Repurposing content is all about taking discovered raw material and innovatively reshaping it. It's revitalizing accumulated content, making it engaging for your audience. Essentially, you're a sculptor carving an entirely different piece from a marble block. It's not duplication, but a creative endeavor requiring imagination, insight, and understanding of audience appeal. It's about reimagining concepts into fresh narratives. With every repurposed content, you add value. In essence, you're not copying, you're creating. Once you've crossed the 1,000 subscribers mark and accumulated 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you've unlocked your YouTube journey. This milestone reveals a realm of revenue potential through your content. Ready for the next phase? You can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program is designed for creators like you to benefit from the platform. It transforms your channel into a medium for advertisements, which can generate revenue. So keep creating, inspiring, and disrupting. You can become a YouTube partner, earning from ads on your channel. All right, let's take a moment to recap. Start by hunting for free-to-use Creative Commons videos. Transform these into unique content. Upload your video, then optimize it for search. Use SEO practices, targeted keywords, descriptions, and tags. Next, monetize your videos. This is done via YouTube's partner program. Sounds like a plan, right? So, you've learned the basics of YouTube. Make money without making videos. We've explored YouTube's vast landscape, revealing opportunities for everyone. We delved into Creative Commons, understanding its unique benefits. We've revealed how to identify these videos in simple steps. Now, you are well prepared to navigate YouTube's content. We've walked through the steps of finding these videos. Remember, learning is an unending process. Education persists beyond the classroom. It's a lifelong commitment. The world is your classroom. Experience is your lessons. Allow it to mold you and expand your horizons. Always strive to push your limits. Break from the confines of perceived limitations. Be the architect of your potential. Dare to turn dreams into reality. Ultimately, it's all about maximizing your potential. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We thrive on your support. Each like motivates us to provide more valuable content. Don't miss our updates. Hit the subscribe button. We aim to enhance with and tricks. We regularly release new, informative videos. And if you want to increase your income, click the links in the description. Until next time, let's journey together through the world of opportunities. Imagine a world where every decision propels you towards your dreams. That's the world we're discussing, a world of earning. We together have navigated this cosmos, faced challenges, and cherished happiness. The future promises prosperity. Let's continue exploring the unknown. Remember, the world is ours to earn from. Keep the spirit of earning alive. Until next time, happy earning.